a very important topic, that is tangents and secants to the circle, construction of pair of tangents to the circle, which the problems in this will come for in the academic standard, that is visualization and representation, which carries 4 marks for SSC board exam. So there are major 3 constructions in this chapter, very important 3 types of constructions. The first one is calculate the length of a tangent from a point 13 centimeters away from the center of the circle, whose radius is 5 centimeters. And the second one is construction of tangents to the two concentric circles. The smaller circle radius is 4 centimeters and bigger one is 6 centimeters. We have to construct the pair of tangents. And the third one is, if angle is given and the radius of the circle is given, how to construct a pair of tangents for these circles. Let us go for the first construction. That is, the circle of radius 5 centimeters is given and the point away outside of the circle, and that is P, at about 13 centimeters from the center of the circle is given. So first we'll draw the circle of radius 5 centimeters. Like this, we have to draw the circle 5 centimeters and we locate a point P away from the center of the circle, which is about 13 centimeters from the circle. Now the third step is we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for this line segment OP. For this, we have to take more than half of this line segment. That is, this is about 13 centimeters. We have to take about 7 centimeters in the compass and we have to put here, and at P we have to draw arcs up and down. So the point of intersection of these arcs is the perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector will divide the line segment into 2 equal halves and at a right angle also. So let us make this point of intersection here. The point of intersection here, we have to keep the compass pointer and we have to draw one more circle like this. The circle will meet the smaller circle at R and Q. So these points, we have to join PR and PQ. And these two are the pair of tangents for the circle. And let us write the construction steps now. The construction steps are, the first step is what we have done. The same thing we have to write in written. The first, what we have done, we have drawn a circle with radius 5 centimeters, and what the next step is, we have located a point P away from the outside the circle, that is 13 centimeters away from the center of the circle, and we have drawn the perpendicular bisector. Then we have kept the pointer at the point of intersection and we have drawn one more circle so that the circle will intersect the smaller circle at R and Q. We have joined PR and PQ. These two are nothing but the pair of tangents to the circle. So this is all about the first construction. And now we'll move on to the second construction. That is nothing about the concentric circles. For these two circles, it is given that there are two radii, 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters. We have to draw two circles. Concentric means the center will be same. Like we have drawn the circle, 4 centimeters circle. This is 4 centimeters circle, and we'll draw one more circle that is 6 centimeters. So for these two circles, the center will be same, O. And now we have to draw the pair of tangents for these circles. As usual, we know we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for OP. The same thing we have to do here also, perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector will intersect the small circle at 2 points. See here where they are intersecting. So here, okay, we have to keep here the pointer and we have to draw the one more circle. The circle will intersect the smaller circle at R and Q. So we have to join PR and PQ. These are two arcs. These are two arcs are nothing but the pair of tangents for this circle. So let us write the construction steps for this also. Construction steps. So what we have done, with the center O and radius 4 centimeters, we have drawn one circle, and with the same center O, now its radius 6 centimeters, we have drawn another circle. Locate a point. We have to put a point on the big circle and join OP. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector for OP and draw another circle with the point of intersection of these two line segments. We'll get one more circle. That circle will meet the smaller circle where they meet the R and Q. Those two we have to join, that is PR and PQ. These two are nothing but the tangents for the circle. Now we may move on to the third construction, that is very important construction. In this construction, only the angle is given and the radius of the circle is given, and the point P is how much away from the center of the circle is not given in this. Only the radius is given. That point P, where it is located from away from the center, that distance we have to find out through trigonometric ratios concept. As we know in trigonometry, we know the trigonometric ratios, that is sine theta. We'll apply that sine theta concept in here. As usual, now we have to draw a circle with 5 centimeters radius. Now we take, see here, the angle between the tangents is given, it is 60 degrees. Now we have to take half of it, that is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Here, 30 degrees. This is the triangle, right angle triangle, where R is right angle. So here 30 is given, OR is given. OR is given, that is 5 centimeters, the radius of the circle, and the angle is 30 degrees. The pair of tangents is 60, so half of that will be 30. 30 we have to take. So the angle is given and opposite sides are given. OP we have to know to construct this triangle. So we have to find out the OP, that is hypotenuse. We know, as we know, this is opposite side we know. Sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, that is OR by OP. Sine 30 is half, OR is 5, and OP will take it as X. So we'll find the X value, that is 5 into 2, that is 10 centimeters. So from O, we have to locate a point P, that is 10 centimeters away from the center of the circle, like this. Now again the same procedure, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector, and we have to draw another circle with point of intersection of this. So the circle will intersect the small circle at same R and Q. Once when join PR and PQ, these two are nothing but the pair of tangents of the circle. So here the angle is given, the angle is 60. So we have made it half, this is 30 and here it is 30. So we found out the distance, that is 10 centimeters. With that we have completed this construction. Let us move on to the construction steps. Same construction steps we have to write. Center O and the radius 5 centimeters, draw a circle. And next we have located a point P outside of the circle, that is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters, and draw a perpendicular bisector XY to OP. So another circle we have to draw the point of intersection at the keeping the point of the intersection. The circle will intersect the previous circle at R and Q. And when we join PR and PQ, these two are nothing but the pair of tangents to the circle. Now the test your knowledge. I think everyone has understood the three constructions. I have given some problems here. Around 5 problems I have given. So these are very important problems. which are given in the previous examinations. Once when you work out all these problems, these may repeat again, and the concept will be same. I think the centimeters and those will be changed, angle and all. Once when you prepare, compulsory you'll get 4 marks from this concept. So I think everyone has understood my concept. Note down the problems, work out. All the best. Thank you.